Welcome back to another intriguing journey with us. Today, we're stepping back in time to the very first 4th of July celebration. Have you ever wondered what the Founding Fathers feasted on as they celebrated the birth of a nation? Well, get ready to uncover the delectable delights of 1776. But here's the mystery. Were they munching on familiar foods or indulging in some surprising dishes? Stay tuned to find out, and trust me, you won't want to miss the strange delicacy they adored. July 4th, 1776, a day that changed the course of history. As the Founding Fathers gathered to sign the Declaration of Independence, what was on their minds? Freedom, liberty, and food. Let's explore the culinary world of colonial America. First up, let's talk about the main course. Our Founding Fathers were quite fond of game meats. Roasted venison and duck were popular choices. Imagine a succulent roast duck seasoned with herbs and cooked to perfection. Back then, they used simple yet flavorful herbs like thyme and sage. This roast duck is as close as we can get to what they might have enjoyed. Next, let's move to the side dishes. Corn was a staple in their diet, often served as cornbread or succotash, a hearty mix of corn, beans, and squash. This succotash is a traditional dish that was both nutritious and delicious, reflecting the indigenous influence on colonial cuisine. Now, onto something sweet. For dessert, they enjoyed treats like apple pie and syllabub, a frothy, wine-infused cream dessert. This syllabub might sound fancy, but it's actually quite simple. Just cream, sugar, lemon, and wine. A perfect ending to a grand meal. So, what was the strange delicacy they adored? Turtle soup. Yes, you heard that right. Turtle soup was considered a luxury and was highly prized during celebrations. Turtle soup was a rich, savory dish that required slow cooking. It was a delicacy that truly showcased the culinary skills of the time. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through history. Now it's your turn to bring a bit of 1776 to your table. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures. Let us know in the comments. What historical feast would you love to recreate? Until next time, happy exploring. And remember, every adventure begins with a single bite. Happy 4th of July, everyone.